Thank you, Jimmy, and good morning, East Texas. If you're heading out early, you will notice a bit of a damp, cool feeling in the air, and that could lead to some areas of patchy drizzle today and for the rest of the work week. Now, I'm taking outside on our radar now. That's just picking up on some clouds. Not a ton of drizzle out there just yet, but we will likely see it through the rest of the morning. Now, most of us will be at work when we start to see these areas of patchy drizzle, but really anything that kind of come through is very, very light, and I doubt we'll even get measurable rainfall out of this. Just be prepared in case you feel that mist falling on you. Now, that's all due to the excessive amount of humidity that we have in our air. It really kicked up since yesterday to today, and our dew points, which is how we measure humidity, are currently sitting in the 60s. That puts us in the humid category. Our relative humidity is in the 90th percentile, so you are going to feel that slight dampness as you're heading out the door early in the morning. Now, also, it's kind of warm for this time of day. If you're stepping outside right now in Tyler, it's 67 and 64 in Mount Pleasant. If you're headed out towards St. Augustine, it's 66. A very warm morning. You can ditch the winter jacket. But because of the warmth and the humidity that we're tracking, there is a likelihood to see some fog out there. I've already seen reports out toward Jefferson back to Marshall where there have been lower visibility. This will likely last through the morning and during your morning commute. So just make sure that you're driving carefully and, of course, watching for any areas of patchy fog. Now, besides the fog, everything is looking pretty nice. It'll be in the 60s through the morning. We'll make it all the way into the mid-70s under clouds at noon. That's when we could see some drizzle. And then the clouds could become scattered enough that some sunshine could make it in by the time we hit 5 p.m. today. That will help boost our temperatures into the mid-70s for the most part. 76 in Tyler, 73 in Jacksonville, the upper 70s through deep East Texas. But for areas along I-30, we get a bit of a cool air mass moving in. That could drop Sulphur Springs and Emory down into the 60s. Now tonight, clouds will still linger in our skies, but we're going to drop down into the 60s. 65 in Tyler, 66 in Henderson, and then 66 in Nacogdoches tomorrow evening, or I should say this evening. Looking at to tomorrow, though, we are jumping back into the 70s, and then we have this beautiful warm up over the next 5 days. It's going to feel downright like spring. But because of this warmth, we are going to be near record highs on Wednesday, Friday, and on Saturday. Now, Wednesday is going to be the one that comes first, so we're going to talk about that one. It'll be 77. That's what I have our forecast high as. That's only 3 degrees short of the record. We set that back in the 50s. So unusual to have this type of warmth. And that's all due to this area of high pressure. That's what's keeping us warm over the next several days. We have a second one, though, that's on the way, and that's going to just bring a dome of warmth to the piney woods all the way through the weekend. Now, things change, though, on the day of the big game. So on Sunday, that's when we have a cold front coming in, and that's going to drag with it all of this cool air from the north. That means winter is biting back. As our temperatures drop, there is a chance to see some scattered showers as well. So Saturday evening, maybe a few scattered showers, nothing widespread. That changes on Sunday when we get more widespread rain coverage. Nothing severe is in the forecast, but we will have some rain coming down as you are out watching the big game. Overall, about 40% chance of rain on Sunday. In the meantime, just patchy drizzle in the forecast. That will be today all the way through Saturday. We're going to keep things warm, and the cold front comes in, sparking up showers and thunderstorms on Sunday and dragging in significantly cooler